Hey Escambia teachers, before you can add weights to a category, you have to first click on your settings and go to your configuration tab to make sure that you've actually turned on weight assignment grades by category. If you do, and then click apply, once you choose a category, you're going to be able to add a weight percentage here. Clicking save is going to allow you to apply this to all of the courses that you have this category linked to. Now I want to draw your attention down here to this red error at the bottom. It's letting me know that the final percentage grade is 105%, and actually my gradebook should equal 100% for category weights. So I'm going to quickly go back, edit, apply the changes, and then that error will go away. So never ignore any red error that you see in Focus. And that's how easy it is to apply category weights. Thanks for joining the Student Data Team for this Byte of Tech. Be sure to check out our wide range of videos to master Focus, because we're united for every student to succeed.